Searching for the best toaster oven feels like walking into a room full of identical twins. Same buttons, same claims, same shiny photos. But here's the thing, just because they look the same doesn't mean they cook the same. Some toast evenly, some burn edges, some can't even fit a real pizza. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 that actually stand out. Product number 1, Panasonic Flash Express. The Panasonic Flash Express looks like it belongs in a sci-fi kitchen, compact, sleek, and silver with a touch control panel that feels futuristic. It's not the cheapest, but it's built for speed and precision. If you want restaurant-level browning without preheating, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those dual infrared heating elements, one in front, one in back, mean your food cooks from both sides at once. No more flipping halfway through. The 6 auto-cook presets handle everything from bagels to frozen waffles, and the precise temperature control lets you dial in exactly how dark you want your toast. Plus, the rack pulls out with the door, so you're not reaching into a hot cavity. With over 900 bought recently, people clearly trust Panasonic's engineering. Now, some people complained about the small capacity, it only fits 4 slices or a tiny pizza. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 1 or 2 or just need a fast reheat, that's actually a benefit. It heats up faster and uses less energy. But if you're feeding a family, this might feel too cramped. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space, value speed and even cooking, and hate waiting for preheat. Skip this one if you regularly cook large meals or need to bake casseroles. It's not the biggest, but for precision and efficiency, it's hard to beat. Product number 2, NewWave Bravo Pro. Now, if the Panasonic size felt too limiting, the NewWave Bravo Pro is like its bigger, bolder cousin, a 21-quart powerhouse that does air frying, baking, roasting, and more. It's not just a toaster oven, it's a full countertop kitchen. If you want one appliance to replace your air fryer, toaster, and mini oven, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 10 pre-programmed functions cover everything from dehydrating fruit to making crispy fries, and the convection fan runs 100% faster than older models, meaning food cooks quicker and more evenly. The digital display lets you adjust top and bottom heat ratios on the fly, perfect for getting that ideal pizza crust. And with a 50 degrees F to 450 degrees F range, you can even proof dough or slow-cook meats. Over 50 sold recently, and the PFAS-free coating is a big plus for health-conscious buyers. Now, some people complained about the learning curve. All those settings can feel overwhelming at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the customization is what makes it so powerful. But if you just want to toast bread without reading a manual, this might be overkill. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting in the kitchen, want air frying without a separate gadget, and need versatility. Skip this one if you prefer simple controls or have very limited counter space. It's a premium tool and it's priced like one, but for the features, it's solid value. Product number 3, Hamilton Beach Convection. Alright, that was a high-tech option. But the next one takes a completely different approach: simplicity, reliability, and smart design. The Hamilton Beach 6-slice convection toaster oven looks straightforward, but that roll-top door is a game changer. If you're tired of burning your arms reaching into a hot oven, this one solves that problem beautifully. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That roll-top door lifts up and out of the way, giving you full access without blocking your counter or dripping grease on your hands. The convection fan cuts cooking time by up to 25%, and the 16-liter capacity fits a 5-pound chicken or 12-inch pizza, way more than most compact ovens. With 200+ bought recently, it's a quiet favorite for everyday use. The knob controls are simple, but the auto shutoff and removable crumb tray make it safe and easy to clean. Now, some people complained about uneven browning on toast, especially on the outer slices. Here's the thing though, that's common in wider ovens. Just rotate the pan halfway through and it's barely an issue. But if you're a toast perfectionist, you might notice it. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, no-fuss cooking with easy access and decent capacity. Skip this one if you need air frying or digital precision. It's not flashy, but for daily meals and leftovers, it's a workhorse. Product number 4, Elite Gourmet Retro. Now, if the Hamilton Beach was practical, this next one is pure personality. The Elite Gourmet Retro Toaster Oven looks like it jumped out of a 1950s diner, mint green, chrome accents, and a bold Art Deco vibe. But don't let the looks fool you, it's got real function underneath. If you want style that actually works, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Despite its vintage look, it packs 1,000 watts of power and a full thermostat for even heating. The 60-minute timer gives you flexibility for slow toasting or baking small dishes, and it fits an 8-inch pizza, perfect for personal meals. The included bake pan and wire rack are sturdy, and the slide-out crumb tray makes cleanup a breeze. With 200 plus sold recently, it's clear people love combining function with fun design. Now, some people complained about the small capacity. It only fits 2 slices of bread at a time. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for one or love the aesthetic, that's not a deal breaker. But if you're making breakfast for a family, you'll be toasting in batches. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment, love retro decor, or just want a charming appliance that still performs. Skip this one if you need to cook large portions or want convection. It's not the most powerful, but for style and simplicity, it's a win. Product number 5, Toshiba 10-in-1 Convection. Finally, if you want maximum versatility in one machine, the Toshiba 10-in-1 is like the Swiss Army knife of toaster ovens. Stainless steel, 25 liters, and rotisserie function, this thing can cook a whole chicken while you're at work. If you want one oven to handle everything from toast to Thanksgiving leftovers, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1500W power and convection fan deliver fast, even cooking, and the 10 functions include rotisserie, defrost, and even cookie mode. The large capacity fits 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, and the 3 control knobs with LCD displays make it easy to set time and temp. Plus, it comes with 6 accessories, including a rotisserie kit, so you're ready to go right out of the box. With 200 plus bought recently and a 1-year warranty, Toshiba backs it up. Now, some people complained about the knobs feeling a bit flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, they're functional and clear, and unless you're slamming them daily, they hold up fine. But if you prefer touch controls, this might feel dated. This is perfect for you if you want a family-sized oven with serious cooking power and don't mind manual controls. Skip this one if you have very limited counter space or only need basic toasting. It's a powerhouse, and for the price, it's one of the best values here. So which one's right for you? The Panasonic Flash Express if speed and precision matter most. The NewWave Bravo Pro if you want air frying and full customization. The Hamilton Beach for easy access and everyday reliability. The Elite Gourmet if style and charm are part of your kitchen. And the Toshiba if you need serious capacity and versatility. No single oven wins for everyone, but one of these 5 will fit your life perfectly.